Hello, second graders. This is our magnets class, and we are going to review what we learned yesterday. Do you remember our objectives? The first one is to recognize that magnets can move objects without touching them. Listen to this carefully. Magnets can move objects without touching them. Don't forget that. Okay? Number 2 says that we are going to sort objects based on whether they are attracted by a magnet or not. We also learned some vocabulary words. We learned the meaning of magnet, which is any object that pulls certain materials towards it. We learned the meaning of poles. Poles is the ends of a magnet where the strongest magnetic force is felt. On this magnet, we can see the poles S and N. Remember, the S means south seeking, and the N means north seeking. The next vocabulary word is repel. Repel means to push against. This means that they will separate. And the last word is attract. Attract means to pull toward, which means come together. And there you have the 4 vocabulary words for this lesson. Now, let's remember the things that are attracted to magnets. We discussed the 2 boxes that we have here on this page. We have magnetic objects that are attracted to magnets, and we also have non-magnetic objects which are not attracted to magnets. Remember, we say that magnets attract objects made of iron, steel, cobalt, and nickel. And many metals are not attracted to a magnet. And you can try this by using aluminum foil and a magnet. You will see that the magnet does not attract aluminum foil. So in the magnetic objects, we have some push pins, some paper clips, some nickel nails, we have some steel screws, we have a scissors, a metal ruler, and a paper clip or a fastener. And the non-magnetic objects are straws, a disposable spoon, tape, colors, sponge, a plastic hanger, a rubber ducky. Magnets are not attracted to string, to buttons, to wooden craft sticks, or to any plastic toy. Now for today's assignment, we are going to work on page 404. And this is how the top part looks. In number 1, it says that you have to circle the objects a magnet attracts. Remember, circle. Now, on the bottom part of the page, number 2 says that you have to circle true or false to describe the statement. And the statement says, a magnet must touch an object to attract it. True or false? Circle true or false. Number 3, I want to see your creativity. You have to draw. What are you going to draw? Draw a way that you can use a magnet. You can look around your house. You can look on the internet and you will find ways that you can use a magnet. Now turn to page 405. Here we are going to write a letter, a friendly letter to a friend. So we are going to write a word from the word bank on each line to complete the friendly letter. The 4 words that we have are magnets, poles, attract, and repel. Okay, I'm going to read the letter for you, and then you can go ahead filling out the lines. Now the bottom part of the letter says, each magnet has 2 places where the pull is the strongest. These places are called Is it poles or magnets? Let's continue. When two poles that are the same are pointed toward each other, they attract or repel. Choose one of the words. They push apart really hard. Eunice, Olivia. Let me underline some clues so you can know what word to write on each blank. On the first one, you have to write the word that means make some objects move without touching them. And the clue for the second one is, what can a magnet do with an iron nail? Can it attract it or can it repel it? Now the clues for the third one is that each magnet has two places where the pull is the strongest. What do we call these places on a magnet? Remember, one is the south seeking and the other one is the north seeking. For the fourth and last word, the clues are that they push apart. Which vocabulary word means to push apart? Write it on the line. So you can see today's assignment is very easy. It's only 2 pages. Complete pages 404 and 405. Don't forget to take a picture and send it to my WhatsApp. I hope you enjoyed learning about magnets. Have a good day and goodbye.